Hey my garden friends, welcome back to another video. So I made a goal to post more videos showing you guys what goes on behind the scenes and maybe a little bit about my life. Now if you're new here, I'm Leticia, the designer behind Flawless Crochet Flowers and the Crochet Garden Club. And lately many of you have reached out to me suggesting that I create kits, so now I'm adding crochet garden kits to the shop. But in this video, I want you to grab your baskets and come strawberry picking with me. Now I know strawberry season has just left, but in our crochet world, of course, we make our own rules. So our strawberries are forever blooming. So today we are packing up the fresh harvest of my crochet strawberry scented magnet kits, and 3 of you are about to unbox some extra goodies. So exactly 3 of these boxes that I will be packing will have one of these golden strawberry packets hidden inside, and it automatically upgrades your order into my mega berry bundle. And the package, as you can see, it says you've been upgraded. But before we drop these golden strawberries in, I want to share a short 2-minute clip on how this entire collection came to life right here in at my tiny table. So watch the short clip and we'll get into the packing. Every single piece of this series is designed to be a full sensory retreat. I hand-winded all these mini thread cakes for the magnets, but I had to create the sweet strawberry stitch marker set that includes the pine berry, the strawberry, and of course, I couldn't leave out the strawberry blossom. This is how I made my stitch markers, and it was so much fun. So be sure to stick around for the Stitch Marker Club, as the first set will be too cute to miss. And of course, I couldn't leave out the hook, so I sculpted a matching strawberry blossom hook. I simplified the stitch steps so anyone can do it, and to add the cherry on top, well in this case, the strawberry, I provided a blended strawberry scented oil so your space literally smells like a summer harvest. Watch the short clip on how I brought the strawberry magnets together. Then we'll get into the packing. It's packing time. So my 2 little daughters wanted to help with the crinkle papers. So here they are getting their hands into it. And oh my God, they had so much fun. Now, as I've mentioned, these 3 winners get some extra goodies. And these extra goodies includes the exclusive Berry Pet scissors file that are not available in my shop, by the way. It also comes with the matching Berry Sweet mini scissors. They get the dual strawberry stitch markers, including the pine berry and the strawberry, and most importantly, the collector's pattern booklet that I'm going to insert right here as it's currently printed. To keep this 100% fair, I'm planting the golden strawberry packets and extra goodies right at the bottom of the 3 random empty boxes, even before we start filling them. Now, I'm not even looking. I genuinely have no idea which orders these 3 golden seeds will end up in. Next, I'm covering every single box with tissue paper. I'm adding some crinkle paper, and then I'll pack it with our standard kit essentials and seal it up with a thank you very much sticker. Now, the prizes are completely hidden at the bottom, and every box looks 100% identical. for the patch shuffle. So I'm moving these boxes around on my table like a shell game until I'm completely in the dark about where these 3 golden strawberries drop. Then I can slide your thank you cards right on top, seal the boxes, and get your shipping labels on. But before we seal them up, I want to pause and show some love to those that visited the harvest. I'm handwriting each of your thank you notes today because your support is literally what keeps me going. And I'm so grateful. So tucking these thank you cards inside is my way of wrapping up my love and sending it straight to you. So take your stand, my garden friends. Here's your moment. We have this box going all the way to California. This one's heading to Canada. Could they be winners? I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So the entire harvest is packed up and ready for pickup. Good luck, and I hope you unbox a winning box. Now, if you find one, you have to tag me and let me know in the comments below the second it arrives. And if you want a chance to win a golden strawberry box, head over to the link below to my website and grab your strawberry kit now. Keep creating, keep exploring, and keep blooming, my garden friends. See you in the next one.